How to order new checks online from Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you running low on checks? Well, here is how to order new ones online from Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to go to accounts and select the checking account you want the new checks for. And there you simply have to click order check or check services in the menu and there you simply have to choose your check style, quantity and any optional features like custom design or security enhancement. And with that, you just have to review your order details carefully and then click submit to place your order and you will get a confirmation on screen and by email once your order is processed. And that's it. That's how you can order new checks online from Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.